Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I got this PR package from Modelones and it is a builder nail gel set. So I am going to be swatching all of these colors and then I am going to be doing a nail set with them and just showing you how I do builder gel nails with half cover nail tips. So taking a closer look at the bottle, they are 7 milliliters and I have used Modelones products before and I do really enjoy their nail products. And all of these colors, or most of them, are either nude or like light pinkish. There is kind of like a foggy white color as well, but most of them are nudes and pinks. But of course I am going to be swatching them. As you saw in the last clip, it does come with 6 different builder gels, and currently on Amazon, this is $13.99, and they do also have other builder gel sets you can get with other colors if you don't want these specific colors. And I do believe they also have these on their website as well, but I'm not sure how much they are on their website. If you're unfamiliar with builder gel, there is a lot of things you can use it for. It does strengthen your nails and is harder than regular gel. You can also use it for a gel extension, and you can also use it to glue on your nails, like using the Gel X method, except instead of using gel glue, you'll use builder gel, which I've tried that before and I do really like using builder gel to apply my Gel X nails. And you can also do 3D nail art. There's just so many different things you can use builder gel for and I do really like it. I am still pretty new to builder gel, so I'm still kind of learning how to work with it and everything. By the way, guys, just in case you didn't see my post about it or didn't watch my last week's video, I did want to mention that I am going to be doing a 1,000 subscriber celebration video where you guys get to choose my nails. So I have been posting questions in the community tabs on my channel about what you want my nail set to look like. So make sure to go answer those questions if you would like to participate. Here are all of those swatches. They are also definitely jelly colors. They are sheer, but I feel like a lot of builder gels are jellies. I honestly haven't really seen any builder gels that aren't jelly colors. I mean, I'm sure they make them, but I feel like it's more common for builder gels to be a jelly. So I'm starting with the nail prep now. I'm pushing back my cuticles and buffing my nails to ensure that the gel polish sticks on to my nails really well. I am going to be using half cover nail tips, so I picked out all of my sizes and found the ones that best fit my natural nails. And since the bottom of them are still shiny and not pre-buffed, I am going to take my e-file and just buff the area that it will be touching my natural nail. So I am now applying the nail tips with regular nail glue. You can also use builder gel to apply them with a UV lamp or a regular gel glue as well, but I just felt like regular nail glue would just be a little bit quicker. You might have noticed that my thumbnail is already done because I did film that as a YouTube short, so that is why my thumbnail is already done. Also, my nail tips, my half cover nail tips that I do have run really large, so I couldn't find one that would actually fit my pinky nail without having to file a lot. So I'm actually just going to be using a full cover nail tip for my pinky nail. I didn't want the nails to be this long, so I did clip them a little bit, and then I also filed them to make sure they were nice and even. I'm going to be using the color 018 from the Modelones Builder Gel set, and when you're applying Builder Gel, you're going to want to apply a slip layer first. So basically that's just a really thin layer of Builder Gel, and then you don't cure it after applying the slip layer. And then right after that, you're going to apply another layer. So you'll apply a thin layer, and without curing it, you're going to apply another layer over the slip layer. And the slip layer just makes it a lot easier to apply the next layer of Builder Gel onto your nail. So I applied that thin slip layer to the first nail and did not cure. And then now I am starting with the next layer, and the next layer you can use a lot more Builder Gel than what you used for the slip layer. So basically what you're going to want to do is get some Builder Gel on your brush, and then in a zigzag motion, just bring the Builder Gel up your nail. And you'll also want to make sure to build the apex. So to help build the apex, I'm adding extra Builder Gel in the middle of the nail, and I'm kind of just turning my nail sideways to be able to see the apex and see if I need to add any Builder Gel or move the Builder Gel around. Another way that really helps build the apex and is super easy is just turn your nail or your hand upside down for about 10 seconds before curing, and let the gravity do the work for you. And then right after that, cure it, and that will definitely improve the look of the apex. I am going to repeat those steps on the rest of my nails, but for the pinky, since I do have a full cover nail tip on, I don't really have to worry about shaping the nail and making the apex and everything, because the full cover nail tip already has an apex and is in the correct shape and everything. So that is one good thing about doing Builder Gel over a full cover nail tip. You don't really have to worry as much about shaping. I'm going to add some chrome to this nail set, and the best way to get the best outcome from chrome is applying a top coat first, but do not cure it all the way. You're only going to want to cure the top coat for like 30 seconds so the chrome is still able to stick on. So I just did that, and now I'm just taking this chrome and a makeup applicator brush and just applying the chrome to all of my nails. And I know this nail set is super simple, and I usually do like some sort of nail art, but I was just kind of feeling a simple nail set that day. And even though they are super simple, I still think they turned out super cute. I definitely still have to work on building the apex and everything and just doing the shaping. I know I could have filed after the builder gel application. I could have filed my nails to help shape the nails and just make them look better, but I didn't really feel like filing, and I felt like they looked decent enough to not file. But yeah, I definitely want to work on building the apex and just making the shape better. Before applying the last layer of the top coat, I am just going to sweep away the excess chrome powder. And then finally, with my Modelones top coat, once again, just applying the top coat to all of my nails. For some reason, this color along with the chrome reminds me of bubblegum. I don't know why, but I just think it's so pretty. Does anyone else agree that it looks like bubblegum, or is it just me? Anyways, here is how the nail set turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you if you're trying to learn how to apply builder gel. Of course, I am still learning too, because this was only like my third time, I think, using builder gel. So yeah, I am still a beginner when it comes to builder gel. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!